Hello, I'm Jerry Fort. I'm going to do a coffee review this morning. Been chewing on a Pop-Tart. Let's go with this one. Whoa. Hurricane Coffee and Cafe, Butter Toffee, Tsunami. Coffee with natural and artificial flavors. Butter Toffee, Tsunami. Butter Toffee, Tsunami, meaning it's like an explosion of butter toffee, with the tsunami being an explosive storm. Tsunami. Hurricane. Is that the same thing? The same hurricane and tsunami, the same thing? I don't know if one's more powerful than the other or not. Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Yeah, pretty sure that's what that says. Okay. Well, I didn't get my water ready. But that's easily remedied with the uncertainty of my little machine here, because it's been acting a little strange. The hatch, the door top part doesn't close correctly. I mean, all the time. It acts like the little puncture needles or something are getting dull. I mean, that's kind of what they act like anyway, but I don't know if that's what's actually happening. So with that, my son ordered me another one. I'm just going to pay him back. Sometimes he gets a discount through his company. He got 3 cents this time. The machine he got me, I think it's called Bellasama or something like that. But it's regularly an $80 K-cut machine, but it's on sale or something for 40 bucks. So, it's a nice one. It's a pretty nice one. It's got settings on it. This one here, you got a button to turn on. This machine was like, I think it was like maybe 30 some dollars maybe. I can't remember exactly, but pretty basic little machine. And the new one has the options if I want to just put in regular ground coffee into a little adapter type thing inside there, just to brew regular coffee instead of a actual K-cup, you know, like one of these. So this one here, I can't find one of the one of the universal things to put in there, to put ground coffee in there. I can't find any that fit, and I can't get a hold of the company. No matter how I try, call, email, website, whatever, messenger, they won't answer me. So I can't ask. I tried asking the question through through messages, do you have one of those that I will buy? I mean, I'll buy it. I didn't, you know, I kind of thought it might come with this machine, but it didn't. So, I mean, I'd be willing to buy it if it's not supposed to be with this machine. But they won't answer me. So, if it exists, I don't know about it. So I've just done without it. But this one that I'm getting, it also has the different ounce settings. So it'll be nice. That looks pretty dark. Can't smell the butter toffee from here. Now I got it. Wow, that smells really good. Two more drips. One. Is that it? Is that all you got? Looks like there's gonna be one more. Come on, you can do it. Here it goes. Well, that's taking forever. Can I help it along a little bit? Alright, I'm just gonna take it. Okay. Oh, wow. Man, that smells good. That's a medium roast. Yeah. It's got a nice sweet butter toffee aroma. There's a little vanilla in there. Smells really good. All right. Let's try it. Wow. Man, that's really good. Almost like a medium to full roast or dark roast, roasty bitterness. Acidity is close to medium. Oh, wow, that's really good. Wow, it's got a uniqueness about it. And when you know what to expect from just a regular classic tasting coffee, and you get something different from that, then to me it's just automatically more unique, because I feel like I'm getting ready to I start expecting something else when I start adding stuff to it. But just the uniqueness, just drinking it like this, is pretty impressive. Let's see. there's almost right there on the back end, the aftertaste, there's just a slight sweetness. So I'm getting a little bit more hopeful that it's getting ready to get good. Get gooder. Let's see. A little nuttiness, a little almond. You could call it complex, lively. That's one of the strict descriptions of the flavors. You could call it somewhat lively. Let's see. On the aftertaste, where I mentioned the sweetness, you could say there's just a very slight hint of vanilla. Yeah, this would be considered a rich flavor, a rich tasting coffee. Full-bodied, roasty. Just a little smokiness, and probably a medium boldness. I wouldn't say it's carbony. It's not that bitter, but it's just a really good tasting coffee. Wow. Okay. Let's see what we can do with it. See if we can get the butter toffee. I have a feeling that it's wanting to show itself. Let's see if we can bring it out just a little bit. I didn't add a full teaspoon. You know, they make a toffee syrup, sweet syrup. You could make your coffee taste like what they say on there a lot of times. They make all different kinds of flavors of syrups. Excuse me, but I want to be impressed by just with basic sweets, you know, regular creamer and some regular sugar. I want those, I want them to make the flavor come out, because I'm under the assumption that you should be able to taste what they say on here. So I'm starting to think, and it's happened many times now, so I'm convinced that that's what's happening, is that they infuse these coffees with some kind of a flavoring within the coffee, so that when you do add some kind of sweetener, they kind of mesh together and create this flavor, I guess. I mean, is making these coffee pods that scientific? You know what I mean? I don't understand. I mean, yeah, they can be kind of pricey, but for all the work that goes into making them taste a certain way, do they make enough money? I guess so. Maybe it's not that big a deal. I don't know. It's really interesting. Okay, let's see. Well, that regular creamer has brought forth a little bit more sweetness out of it. I don't know how, but corn syrup solids, I'm assuming that that's a little sweetness. I mean, you could take regular creamers like this, which says they have corn syrup solids in them, and taste it. And there's a little bit of sweetness in it. You try it. So just that little bit will bring forth a little bit of sweetness to it. So yeah, I'm getting butter toffee very slightly. The coffee is rich, strong, and really well made. Coffee itself. So it's not letting it bring forth. We put too much in there. The actual flavors that much. So let's see. I just added just a little bit of sugar. Let's see if that's enough to bring it over the edge. Man, that's really close. That is really close. How much do I have left in there? That's too much. I don't want to add that much. It's really good. My curiosity is winning me over. There wasn't that much left in the packet. Let me just see. I really want to taste the butter toffee. So that's like a half a packet of the little sugar packs. If that didn't do it, then we just didn't reach our goal. Okay, let's see. Okay, I mean, I get the butter toffee. It's not real big, but it's good. I'm gonna say the coffee itself, before adding anything to it, was a 4. After adding things to it, didn't quite reach where I was wanting to get to, so I'm going to give it a half a point. So we'll just say 4.5, and that's a pretty good score when it comes to coffee, because I'm real picky about these flavoring things. So yeah, this is good though. Hurricane Coffee and Cafe Butter Toffee Tsunami. See it? Well, thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Sorry for the little bit longer video with forgetting to add water and waiting for a couple drips to. I like getting every little bit out of them if I can. If I could get away with squeezing these things through, I would do that, but they're too hot when they come out. Yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Let me know if you've tried that, or if it sounds good to you. And we'll see you all in the next one.